Hello everyone, here we have the widget taillights for 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado, and here I'm going to show you how to install them. When you come around, you'll see this is the factory taillights. To remove this taillights, you just remove this screw and this screw. Top one first. And then the bottom. After removing those two screws, just pull this taillight toward back. Pull like this. So these two pins will pop out from the socket right here. You see, this is a factory socket, and these two go in there. And now let's remove the wiring harness. Just simply twist. And they're out. Pretty easy. Now we have the three bulbs. What we need to do is to remove the first one and the third one. Remove the bulb like this. We're gonna reuse the one in the middle. This is a reverse light. Come around, you'll see the widget taillights, and flip over. You'll see this is the two pins that we need to insert into the socket. Widget does come with the socket, but if you want to reuse the factory socket, you can just remove this two and reuse the factory one, which is what we're going to do right now. And in the box, we also included the resistors for this taillights. This will prevent the hyper flash on the dashboard when you turn on the turn signal. And these two, we have the double-sided tape, and we're going to tape this onto the truck body, so we're not going to mount onto the light. You come here, you'll see those the truck body. There is one hole right here where you can stick the resistor on. Just clean the surface before you put on the tape. And the second one, you can secure it here. Use a metal zip tie or double-sided tape just in here. Just make them secure. These two. I'll just let them hang right for now. And there's one connector we need to connect to this one right here, the first connector. And you'll see the connector has three wires. The black wires on this side, so we need to match that black wire with this one. So basically they need to be on the same side. Push it and fish this wire into the housing. And then find a sweet spot to lock down the socket. and right there. And this is a reverse light. We're gonna reuse this bulb, so simply plug in and twist. Just like this. And for the last connector, do some weather seal. Wrap it in a plastic bag and zip tie the neck so it can be water sealed. Or you can just leave it hang if you live in a dry area that doesn't rain much. But basically you need to do some protection to this wire because we're not going to use this. And for now we're just going to put it back to show you what the light look like. You see, right now I'm inserting this pin into the OEM socket. So I'm leaving the OEM socket inside. Before we push this back in, we need to insert this metal clips for the screw holes. Basically just push it in. There are two tabs, one on top and one on the bottom. The top one and the bottom one. Yep, push that in. Now we're ready to put in a screw. Okay, let's grab the factory screw. The top screw and then the bottom. Okay, now it's installed. Let's do the same thing to the other side.